everybody, welcome to my channel. We currently have a very bad, severe storm right now. We could lose power. Oh my goodness. This is definitely very bad. Oh! Okay, this is very, very bad. Oh! This is very bad. This is very, very bad. Oh my goodness, it is rumbling and tumbling. We may lose power here. This is very bad.
Whoa.
Oh my, this is as bad as Helene. This is as bad as Helene. This is what the sound was like during Helene, everybody. This is what it sounds like. You can hear the roar. This is what the sound sounded like during Helene. You can just hear the roar of the leaves. I think a tree might have fell. Did you hear that sound?
That's the time when the trees fall, I think.
Yeah. We got leaves all over your yard. Alright, everybody, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.